Okay, here's our Martie's unboxing. We start with an open bag of chips. That was great. That sucks. I mean, yay Martie's. That sucks. Okay. Let's see if these mangoes are okay. These toilet paper rolls are so tiny. So tiny. Sprouted organic sunflower seeds. Great. More chips. Just in case you're missing them. Oh, Lordy. So they patted it with chips. Nice. Okay, we got our salt. That's lovely. It's got chips all over it. Yay, chips. We got this activated super food nut blend. I figured we could try a bunch of these different things and see if we like them. We could use this in our smoothies or when we make our ice cream. Oh, yeah. Hurry up and get the toilet paper out of there so it doesn't absorb all the oil. Take it. That's okay. Does it say bamboo on it? Yeah, bamboo. Okay. So there's only one coconut sugar? Man, I showered to get this stuff all over me. That's some bull crap. That's not what I ordered. This is supposed to be mangoes. I mean, no, these are not supposed to be gummies. It's supposed to be dried mango. Ingredients: organic mango, organic guava, ascorbic acid. That's weird. Maybe there's plenty of sugar in it that it doesn't need. Okay, more dates, because, yes. It's not horrible, it's just... How did I take the chips that busted? Okay, bye.